There was a happy old man. His name was John. One day he was staring at the stars and thinking about his past. His childhood wasn't filled with happy memories. He was a poor kid who suffered in hunger. He didn't have two hands to even beg for food. There were so many kids like him, so many. But there was always hope among them. One day, a sister called Mary Jacunda came to visit them. She felt so sorry about these poor kids and she wanted to do something about it. She always had a question why people spend so much money on space projects while people on Earth die without food. So she wrote a letter. The letter was for a doctor at NASA, Dr. Ernst Sterlinger, then Associate Director of Science at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center. Dr. Ernst was a compassionate man, and he replied to the sister's letter. He said that it is true that we are spending billions of dollars on space projects, but discovering space will bring so many benefits for the humans, but not in the short run. After 44 years, space technology has helped humans in many ways. The water purification methods used in International Space Station has given the chance to so many people around the world to have a sip of clean water, as well as saving so many lives. Wastewater, urine and sweat can be purified into clean drinking water using this method. Solar energy is the main source of energy used in satellites. Scientists have developed solar cells in many ways to use in satellites, and this has allowed people on Earth to reduce their traditional energy expenditures and contribute to pollution reduction. The advanced technology behind these solar devices, which provide up to 50% more power than conventional solar cells, originated with the efforts of NASA. Robots and rovers do a big part in space discovery. Space agencies have funded for many projects that involve robotics and shock-absorptive materials, which gave rise to development of artificial muscle systems. Scientists have created a heart pump in collaboration with NASA for patients awaiting heart transplants. This ventricular assist device functions as a bridge to heart transplant patients by pumping blood throughout the body to keep critically ill patients alive until a donor heart is available. Astronauts use red LEDs to grow plants in space. This technology is now being used to heal humans on Earth. Freeze-drying tech. The foods are cooked, quickly frozen, and then slowly heated in a vacuum chamber to remove the ice crystals formed by the freezing process. The final product retains 98% of its nutrients and weighs only 20% of its original weight. Now this technique is used to pack snack food. Long-distance communication would not have come this far without the space technology. Satellites do a main role in long-distance communication. Without space technology, there would be no internet, international telephone calls, and maybe even the mobile phones. Global positioning system was also a result of the development of space technology. It is based on satellites as well. This technology is mainly used in automobile navigation mapping and surveying. As we all know, the computers were so big and hard to use. For Apollo missions, which carried humans to outer space, NASA had to build small but more accurate and efficient computers. This led the scientists to develop more smaller and powerful computers. John really was a happy old man. He was complete and whole. He felt complete and whole. And he never forgot that he was blessed with all this happiness because of one thing. And that thing was space technology.